been here. Beans Fixaros. So this is 2002 GMC Denali, and I have engine sign, and I'll show you in my. So that's my that's auto sensor header circuit bank 1. So that's the oxygen sensor. It's the same. So bank 1. So right now I'm trying to replace the new one with a new one. Okay. So I'll pull this thing and get the key. So the bank 1 auto sensor is always on the driver's side, and it's close to the catalyst converter. So I have my safety glasses on, and so this is the bank, the auto sensor 2. This is the downstream, and in the bank 1, the bank 2 is on the right hand side, passenger side. So this is the sensor, auto sensor 1 upstream bank 1, that's close to the catalyst converter. So I have my, so that's the one. So I'm gonna remove the, so I need my 2 hands. Okay, just a minute. I'm gonna remove first the wire. So it's right there. So just gonna pull. So I'm just gonna show you. I use my other long plier to hold the main one, so I can use this one to remove the connector there. So because it's, like I said, my hand is too big and there's not much space. And also I just used this a while ago, and I have to be careful because it's still hot. Okay, it's still hot. So there, I was able to remove this one here. Okay, I use this one to pull it and the other one to hold this, and now I just have to use this one. Now I'm not gonna use this sensor remover because there's not much space for me. So what I'll do, I'll use this one. This is same size, and I can use it to remove this one here. There you go. So I think it's loose, but still hot a little bit. Not too hot, but just. Alright. See, this is the old one, and this is the new one. Okay, so before I install it, I just want to make sure they are the same. They look like they're not. The connector, they look like they're not the same. They look the same, but I'm just thinking this one, they don't look the same. Maybe that's, see the difference? Try it first. I really need my 2 hands. Okay, I'll show you later if it works. See, they already have anti-seize there. They put, so I don't want to put already because they already put. So I want to try because they look different, but I think it's nothing to do with the thing at the end. If somebody can comment for me, because this one is different one like there, but the connector, they are the same. Hopefully I will try, because as soon as you put this thing, and then of course I have to delete the code. Then if it's wrong, it will come back. So I'll try this. Okay, so now I'm just gonna tie this thing up, because I know it wasn't, I just have to tie it up, not tight enough, not too tight and not loose. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. But see, the connector, they are the same, it fits. But like I said, someone can comment, but that does it really matter? The end that goes to the exhaust, does it really matter, or they have to be the same? But the connectors are the same. I think that's it. Not too tight, not too loose. Alright, so I'm just gonna hook this thing up there, and that's it for me. So yeah, I believe that's the same, the same oxygen sensor, the same size, because the, like I said, the connector, and now it's done. And I think that's it for me, and I just appreciate if someone can comment about, does it really matter the end, this one, because they have different, but the connectors are the same and it fits. So thank you very much for your comment, and thank you also for subscriber, people that are subscriber for me and who wants to subscribe. I really, you know, appreciate you if you wanna subscribe, click likes, Beans Fix arrows, and see you again next time.